Hi traders, thank you for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a bunch of charts here of the major indexes, starting off with the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and the IWM. And I'm going to give my analysis and my thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis as well as hopefully some profitable trade ideas here on the market itself. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis that we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing in comparison to the membership you get when you sign up for your free 7-day trial at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you do that, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to help you with your trading. Alright, so let's take a look at the market here. We're going to start off with the S&P 500, and the S&P 500, what do you know? New all-time highs, new all-time high close. Very bullish action here, and you can see that we had this huge support right here. We mentioned that many times as we hit that right there. So this is a huge sideways consolidation range. We broke that range right here, headed higher, consolidated a little bit, but I still think there's juice left from this sideways trading range. And not only that, but we had a little compression range right here that's going to lead to some juice higher. So I definitely think the S&P 500 is in the very beginning of another breakout. So I do think that's going to happen. We've got support down here at these previous highs around 2450, 2452. All right, so 2450, 2452, we've got support down there. Looks like the S&Ps are about to break out. When you get these sideways consolidation ranges, the breakout side of that range is usually leads to a pretty big move. So we broke outside of this range here, and we should be heading up higher in the near term and the long term. Now we're going to take a look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones broke out of this range here on Wednesday. We covered that in our video. We said that it was likely that it was going to head higher here. We got that confirmation with the 2 following days right here. So congrats if you followed along on that analysis. So we're headed higher here. I think this is, again, the beginning or the early stages of another breakout. So same thing with the S&P 500. Traded sideways for a while, broke that range right here, headed higher, took a break for a little bit. Now we're ready for our next leg higher. So I definitely think the Dow Jones is ready for its next leg higher. We've got support down here at about 215, 215.15 level. Next, we're going to take a look at the NASDAQ. And the NASDAQ is the one that did not break to new all-time highs, but still a very bullish break. Overall, very bullish chart, but we still have this resistance to deal with from these previous highs. For about a week here, we ran into about the 63.28 level approximately. So that's going to be some resistance that we have to deal with, and we haven't quite broken that range just yet. If we do head lower in tech on the NASDAQ, we've got support down here based off of the gap fill as well as the 20 period simple moving average and the 10 period simple moving average. We've got some support down there. Next, we're going to cover the IWM. The IWM here really looks ready for that next leg higher. You can see how long we've been trading sideways for right here, and you can see here we're basing near these previous highs. All right, so we're basing near these highs. You can see we traded sideways for a while, made this move higher, but I love that we are holding right here near these highs. Okay, so why does that matter? Well, it matters because if we get any kind of a break above here, all of this sideways trading for about a month and a half is going to be that energy buildup for that next move higher. So if we were trading sideways down here on the IWM, we'd have to expend a lot of energy just to break to these new all-time highs. or I'm sorry, to these previous all-time highs. But right here, we're trading sideways just under these all-time highs, building up that energy just below that. So I believe that if we do break about 142 and close above 142, we're going to see a nice, very nice continuation breakout on the IWM Russell 2000. Thank you for stopping by, everyone. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you guys learned a thing or two and will make some smart and profitable trading decisions based off of what you saw in this video. Again, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, get to know us a little bit better and then sign up for your free 7-day trial. Once you sign up for that trial, again, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts that current members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you with your trading.